Alright, so gawin muna natin is ganito. So we'll be separating to different parts yung tutorial natin so that everyone can get a hold of it. May iba kasi syempre we would like to accommodate some requests and improvements on how we're going to be doing it. Alright, so first of all, first thing that you need to do, ito, so this is the tutorial for our Manapod Tournament Manager. This is free for everyone to use. So anong advantage nito? It's that um, hindi siya online. If you would like to host it, you can do so. But hindi siya online. It is a locally run web application. It means that yung data ninyo is hindi naman siya magta-travel or mag-store online. It will be stored within the laptops of the organizer. Okay. Also, if you would like to travel and then you would like to use a local computer and you would like it to use it there, you can just copy and paste yung copy ninyo ng Manapad. Meron naman siya local na na copy ng data ninyo. So ganun siya. So yun yung yung advantage niya against doon sa mga online. So ano ba yung mga disadvantage naman? Syempre disadvantage ito is you need to have a computer if you're gonna be running this, and every instance is you need to use your own resources. Okay? Your own laptops. Of course, good naman yung kung gano'n naman, meron naman kayo dalang laptop lagi. That will be nice. So, currently we're already in the version 5. May mga dinagdag na tayo mga features dito, and we will be walking through it, and at least this is the most complete version. No? Hindi na lang siya accommodate ng commander tournament. Meron na rin tayong one-on-one or 1v1 tournament, scoring, and everything else. Magdadagdag na lang tayo ng additional like the single elimination. Mga nagre-request din kasi. At saka yung round robin. Okay? So that it will be an all-inclusive tournament manager sa lahat ng mga TCG and even other sports that you would like to run. Okay? Manapod is licensed under the Philippines, so copyright siya dito. And free to use siya for everyone. So, and if you would like to do your own improvement, please do so. Paalam nyo na lang din sa akin so that we can add it up dito sa ating natin. Currently, wala pa masyadong nagpo-fork. And this is the GitHub. So what you're gonna do to download it first. So muna tayong part. We'll be limiting this to at least around 10 minutes, and then sa mga ibang mga parts we will be iterating it or continuing it. So i-chop-chop lang natin siya so that we will have a better coverage ng natin tayo sa Sabog. So first is of course installation, setup, at saka yung paglatag nito sa mga PC ninyo. So if you're a first time user ng Manapod, so first is you just need to go to my GitHub. Ito yung link, GitHub Makisunga. And then you can see here, you can click doon sa repo ko or the repositories. So makita nyo dito, meron ako 11. You can click on Manapod Tournament Manager, this one. So please give a star if you're going to be using it. Ayan, and then what you're going to do is you can just download this version 5. Okay, zip. Okay, once na download nyo na siya, so download natin yung raw file. This is already in zip file. Okay, next yung gagawin is kapag wala pa kayo ng what do you call this, examp, no, you can download examp. Okay, saan na yung download natin? Yung download. Yan, download natin siya. Yan, so it will be like that. So you can follow it through lang here. So dito na siya sa downloads natin, Manapod. Okay, and gawin natin is dito sa ating download na kayo ni exam. Yan, ito. Download and install lang ito. For Windows, for Linux, and for OS, pwede for OS X. For Mac users, you can use it. Where ang gamit ko kasi is Windows, so you'll be downloading this. Install nyo lang siya, very straightforward lang yung pag-install yan, ha? So, just follow it through lang. Okay? Once you're installed, you'll be seeing this, the exam control panel. Okay? So, usually naka-stop yung mga yan. And once you are installed this one, click nyo lang yung start for the Apache. Ito yung magiging web browser ninyo or web server ninyo. And usually my SQL, pwede nyo naman siyang wag nang start if you would like. If you don't like to, it's okay. Kasi we will not be using SQL for this version. Although I will be coming up with another version ng Manapad that is using SQL. Okay, so once you downloaded this one, yung ating Manapad, what you're going to do is you extract it. Okay. Saan ma-extract natin? Extract folder. Here, extract all. Yan, extract nyo lang siya like that. And then, sa pinakaloob niya, meron tayong, ito, pad tournament. So, si pad tournament, you can already copy this folder. Hindi yung pad version, hindi itong buong folder ha. You have to go inside. And then, itong pad tournament. So, saan nyo siya i-paste? Okay, punta na kayo sa File Explorer ninyo. Okay, punta kayo sa Drive C. If you are, yan. And then, go to htdocs. Okay, exam, this one. Hanapin nyo na yung folder. Pag sa Mac, hanapin nyo na yung folder na pag-install nyo yung exam. And then, click on htdocs. Ito. Yan. Paste nyo lang yan dito. Copy and paste nyo lang siya. Ha? So, copy and then paste it here. So, dito yan, dapat yan lalabasin like this. Okay? Yan. So, pag wala pa kayong ganyan, kasi meron na ako eh. So, yan. Paste nyo lang dyan. Once you have done that, okay, once you have done this one, what you're going to do is, you go back, you can close it na. Okay, so nasa ano yun na siya, nasa htdocs yun na siya. You can go to localhost, yan, localhost slash, kung ano yung name ng folder na targeting nyo. Pod-tournament. Yan. Tapos, you can go to public. Yan. Sa public, ayan na siya, no? Manapad, ayan, Tournament Manager. So, ano yung magiging username and password natin? So, basically, ang username natin for those who are using this one is the admin at example.com. Okay? Yung username natin, and then the password will be admin123. Okay? So, kindly take note of this na lang. Yan. Kasi magagawin, ano pa naman to, this is already naman in a full version naman na siya, but we will be creating another version that is more, what they call this, para industry level naman siya. So, ito pwede na itong gamitin. Lahat ng functions nandito na siya. So, admin at example.com, then click on login. Yan. So, lalabas to, okay lang yan. Lalabas na tong manager natin, yung tournament manager natin. Okay? Yan. So, makita natin may dashboard. This is the dashboard. Meron tayong mga users, games, deck types. This is still, ano pa naman, pero the games is already there, and then the about. Okay, so, for the next few episodes, no? So, ito na yung, na-set up yun na, pag nakapunta na kayo dito, gumagana na yan. You are actually ready to use Manapad tournament in your tournament. So, basta nakita nyo na to, nakapasok na kayo dyan, everything is good to go. And then, you can actually check dark mode if you would like to. Yan, meron tayong mode na mga ganyan. If you would like the dark mode, the light mode. I'll be using the light mode na now for the purpose na baka may mga colorblind and baka may mga, alam mo na, mga may problem sa eyesights and everything else. So, yan na lang natin siya. But if you would like to, please go ahead and use it. So, for the rest of the time, so I'd like to ano lang din, if you would like to use this, kindly just do the steps. Okay? The link will be on the description as well. And then, if you would like to donate or you would like to support yung mga ganitong klaseng mga push natin for helping local games ng pag-usbong ng mga local game stores, mga local game tournaments, and syempre yung yung culture ng hobby and card gaming. So, ito yung mga isa sa mga pinupush ng Manapad group. Okay? And we would like to to acknowledge yung mga, if you would like to you to help further, uh, we can kindly reach out to me. Alright? So, for the next episode, magsiset up tayo ng games. Okay, kung tuturo ko na kung paano mag-set up ng games. So, for now, kindly check muna kung kung masusunod niyo na yung mga steps. Okay? And then, on the next, video, so we will be doing the, yung pag-set up na ng mga games and mga rounds. Alright? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.